Hello everyone, T-Draguno here, and today we'll be doing a clay project of Metanite. This time I'll be using clay that I got from the dollar store. About 3 packs should do. Of course I have my Mosh Podge, may or may not be used. I heard rubbing alcohol is supposed to smooth out the clay, so I'll probably use that method. And of course, for handling the clay and cutting it into different pieces, I would need tools. These are also from the dollar store. All these crafting, cutting, smoothing, rounding tools. So, Metanite is blue. Let's start with blue clay and start rolling it into a ball. Metanite and Kirby are pretty much the same, with obvious personality differences. So first we will roll the blue clay into a ball. Next I'll be using a different clay for the wings. I don't want the wings to be heavy, so I'm using this foam air dry clay. From here I will cut out the wings. After that's done, we'll get rid of the excess clay. So now we have the start of our wings. Moving back to the body, I routed out to a ball, and on the sides there are magnets to connect the arms. The magnets look like round mushrooms, and this is what I used for the arms connected to the body so they can stick on there nicely. After that, it's time to put on the hands, although I'm going to run into a little bit of a problem. With the amount of clay on the hand, it makes the arm too heavy and the magnet is not strong enough to keep it together. So unfortunately I'm going to have to make his hands a bit smaller. Therefore, Metanite is not going to be able to hold his iconic galactic sword. Galaxia, is it? The Galaxia sword? But yeah, I'll just have to make a few adjustments. Next, we'll move on to Metanite's feet and or shoes. Metanite's shoes are kind of big and pointy. They should be able to fit on this ball body of his. Metanite's back feels a bit bumpy. This is where the alcohol is going to come in to apparently smooth that out. So I will test that soon. I don't know how well this rubbing alcohol is making the clay smooth, but it is making it clean. Next, for the most important part, Metanite's face and mask. Here's a simple white and black clay sculpted to look like his mask, and here I will add 2 yellow pieces for the eyes. Now let's connect the mask with the body. So far, so good. He's looking pretty cute. In my opinion, the mask might be too big, but we'll roll with it. Now we will connect the arms, like so. Make sure it's snap in place with the magnets that are on his sides. And there we go. Metanite is almost done. Just his cape and wings. Oh, and of course, shoulder pads. For his shoulder pads, I'll use some purple and a bit of yellow. These colors should look just fine. They'll go on his shoulder right here. To make the shoulder pads stay better, I use these toothpick sticks cut them in half, and I'm going to put it inside Meta Knight's body so they can stay there and not move. Shoulder pads are in, and we're ready to move on. For the cape, I don't know exactly what I want to do with it, at least how to attach it to his body, so it's kind of just a cape floating behind his back, and I'm okay with that. It can be free. Until I decide what can actually go back there, it'll just sit there and it's fine. Still captures the image of Meta Knight wearing the dimensional cape. Lastly, let's add those wings. I added the little spikes on the tip of his wings, and with the toothpicks poking out, I will stick this in his back so it looks like he has wings. The best part about this is that his wings can be removed so he can have the cape look or the winged Meta Knight look. For the final finishing touches, I'll put some gloss Mod Podge, most likely on the shoulder pads and shoes. They just look like they should be shiny. I've added the gloss, and I found my wing placement to properly put the wings on Meta Knight's back. I'm just using a metal wire here to poke through the hole, so this will go in easily when I put in the other toothpick piece part of the wing. And there we go, nicely in place. Good. Now let's get those arms back on the body. Just easily snaps right in place. And there we go. There's our completed Meta Knight. For a first time prototype, I think this is pretty good. The wings can move a little bit, the arms may be limited, but can still move a little bit. Shoulders can move. And the mask I think I did a decent job with, although it might be a little too big for his body, but still pretty good. How do you think I did on this Meta Knight? Tell me in the comments below. And tell me if you want to see a blue bandana Waddle Dee to join the crew. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more clay videos, stop motion videos, and speed drawings. This has been fun, and I hope you all have a good rest of your day. Goodbye everyone. Take care. Meta Knight wishes you well.